Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. First of all, open Messages app and select or create a chat. Now you need to click on this icon of a photo and the paper clip at the bottom right corner, and click on those three lines at the top left one. Now pick one of those sources. Select Images filter at the top or tap on one of your apps. After locating your photos, you need to hold the chosen one and click on Select at the top right corner to add it. So when I do that, as you can see, my photo was successfully added to text message. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!